Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your in-game name, also on PC and console, in Modern Warfare Call of Duty. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is be in Call of Duty. Now, just click here on Options. When you're gonna be in Options, go to the right top corner, Account, and Account, you're gonna see Activision Account. Let's click on it. And you can just easily click here, change display name. You earn one rename token every single tokens remaining. Okay, confirm, and I will just name it TaoMan, TV, whatever. Confirm. And here we have it. Let's just wait until it loads. And the game is restarting right now. And then I will have it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And let's just wait. Okay, game is loading. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just need to restart the game, that's it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask them down below in comments, but this is how it is. Have a great day and goodbye. Let's see now. Yep, it's going to work. See, working real well. Bye bye.